In this video, we're going to talk about bends. That's right, you can bend on the ukulele. Matter of fact, you need to bend, especially if it's into blues, country, and that kind of stuff. In this video, we're going to break down the different kinds of bends. And I'm going to give you some tips on how to bend better right here on the ukulele. All right, I'm Terry Carter. Welcome to Ukelikethepros. And before we get started on this cool idea, this concept of bends, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the link below, which is ukelikethepros.com/win. Because if you do those two things, you're automatically entered to win our monthly ukulele giveaway. Matter of fact, we just did that yesterday on a live YouTube. We gave away a ukulele of one of our subscribers. How cool is that? Super simple. All right, bends. I mean, if you're into blues, rock, country, even jazz, you need to know the bend. And there's different kinds of bends. I'm going to give you some tips as well. But check this out. All right. By the way, I'm playing my Koaloha concert here. I have a high G. Doesn't matter. We're not even going to use that string for this video. But if you need a new Koaloha or any ukulele accessories, whatever, check out our store, the #1 store, which is store.ukelikethepros.com. All right, the bends. A little bit harder than it seems, but I'm going to give you some tips. And I'm going to show you 3 different bends: the quarter bend, the half bend, and the whole bend. And I mean, throw a little bonus in at the end. Yeah, stick around because I will throw a little bonus in at the end. All right, we're going to start for this video right here on the first string. Matter of fact, we'll do everything on the first string because that's the thinnest string, the easiest to bend. And as you get better, you can start doing bends on different strings. Start right here with your 3rd finger on the 1st string, 5th fret, all right? All right, then also have your 1st and your 2nd fingers down for support. So your 1st finger will be on the 3rd fret, your 2nd will be on the 4th fret, and then your 3rd will be on the 5th fret. These are just support. So 1 and 2 is only for support. Now, when you pluck this note, you're going to literally, woo, that was a big bend. You're just going to literally push the string up. And you got to have some support here. You got to have a little bit of pressure right here on your thumb, pushing down on the neck. And you got to have a strong wrist here to bend up. Now, the first string is the easiest because it's the thinnest. And ukulele is nice because we have the nylon or the fluorocarbon strings, which makes bending easier than, let's say, on a steel string, like a steel string guitar, or even one of the steel string electric ukes that we have, like the Risas or the Flights. Yeah, phenomenal. Anyway, let's get back to this. All right, so the first thing I want to show you is what's called a quarter bend. And all we're going to do is simply just do a little. We're going to simply just push that string up a little bit. And it's called a quarter bend because it's in between this note and that note. And it just gives that note a little bit of flavor. Can do it there. But right there, that, if you just add that to your playing, that will sound really cool. Now, you can't do it with other fingers. You can do it on other frets. You can do it on other strings. We're just doing right here for the practice on the first string here. All right, now, that's a quarter bend. What do you think so far? Drop that in the comment below. Is it something you have been wondering about? Maybe you already do it. How are you doing just practicing with me? Okay, again, it's not super easy. It looks easy. Looks can be deceiving, but you can get it. If you practice, you can definitely get it. All right, the next bend. This is what we call a half step bend. All right, and what is a half step on the ukulele? 1 fret. So we're essentially going to take this 5th fret here. We're going to make it sound like the 6th fret. So hit that 6th fret for reference to your ear. By the way, bends are great for your ear training as well. All right, so here's your note. Woo! And if it's not perfect, it will get better as you practice or... All right, that's the bonus. I'm going to show you at the end. Don't worry about that. I'll tell you about that. All right. Half step bend, making a note sound like 1 step higher than the string that you're actually bending. Really, really cool. All right, we gave some tips. I showed you the quarter bend. I showed you the half bend. Now let's check out the whole bend, and then I do have a bonus for you at the end. By the way, if you like this stuff, you like me, if you like my style, you like my vibe, hopefully you do, ukelikethepros.com, that's our instructional site. Become a platinum member. That's the easiest. You get all the courses. You get all access to the workshops, the challenges, the Q&As. So check out our platinum membership, ukelikethepros.com/platinum for that. All right, the last one. This is a biggie. This is a whole step bend. So now you're going to take this 5th fret and make it sound like the 7th fret. Holy cow. So we got to bend this note all the way up to make it sound like this. So, whew, and if you notice, I really got to push that string up a long way. So that's going to require a lot of support with your fingers, some strength with your thumb, some strength with your wrists too, bending it up. And yeah, you can hear it, right? You can hear the blues in it. All right, what do you think? If you haven't done so, make sure to subscribe, smash the like button, leave a comment below. Come on, be a part of this. Join us here. All right, the last thing here. This is the bonus. This is what we've been waiting for. Take the bends. If you can take your bends, you can add some vibrato to them. Check this out. So all I'm doing is when I'm bending and I'm holding that note at the top, I'm actually giving a little bit vibrato. Woo! My baby left me. All right. So we'll leave it at that. So, all right, we talked about the bends, right? I give you some tips on the bends, the quarter bend, the half bend, the whole bend, and then the bend with vibratos. Now it's your turn. Get after it. Okay, get after it. Again, this is used in blues, rock, and country. And by the way, we have courses over there for you at ukelikethepros.com. So I appreciate you being here. Thanks for all the support. Check us out all over the place. We have a great Patreon page where we give a lot of the sheet music and stuff that we do in these videos over on our Patreon page, our social media stuff, our store, our blog, everything. All right, so thanks for being here. I appreciate you, and we'll see you soon.